All right, guys, so this week's challenge is your 9-count kick. Let's go ahead and preview that real quick. 1, we're going to pick it up for a front kick. 2, you'll kick it. 3, you'll chamber for that round kick. 4, you'll kick it. 5, you'll bring it in for a side kick. 6, you'll lock it out. 7, you'll bring it back. 8, hook kick. 9, set it down. Now, for our beginners, you'll have a chair here. You'll make sure that if you need it, you can put your hand down there for balance every now and then, just like that. Now, for our intermediate, what you'll do is you'll actually do the kick 2 times. So when you chamber up, 1, then it's 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now for our advance, what we'll do is we'll make sure that we'll go through the whole thing, but we'll do 3 kicks. So we'll eliminate the chair. We'll chamber up. So 3 kicks for our advanced group. 1, we'll bring it up. 2, there's 3 kicks. 3, we'll chamber. 4, 1, 2, 3. 5, we'll bring it in for a side kick. 1, 2, 3, lock it out. 6, 7, bring it in. 8, 1, 2, 3, and 9, we'll set it down. All right, there's your challenge. Get after it, guys, and I will see you guys soon. Now, go ahead and send those videos in. Once you get your challenge done, we'd love to see them. See you soon.